everyone, thanks for stopping by to see what I am up to. And I just received my Boxycharm Premium box for June 2020. So excited to get into this. I just slit the tape just a second ago. Let's get started. I like now that inside the lid of the box, if I can hold this up, they're letting you know whether it's Boxyluxe, Boxy Premium. So that's nice. Interesting. So Boxy Premium is $35 a month. You get 6 to 7 full-size products, usually beauty, with a promised value of value of $175, and you get to customize one item in the premium. So the theme is the same as the other boxes, the Oasis, and I have variation 56. Hopefully that'll focus. Plus then you get your card with, little descriptive and prices, which I appreciate very much when companies do that. And then we'll do a little sneak peek. Oh, I see a couple products in here that I'm excited about. Hopefully that doesn't fall out. So let's get right into it and see. Let's just do this bottle first. So we have a product from Living Proof. Living Proof. Restore Instant Protection, a weightless spray that does add shine while protecting against heat and UV damage. Value of $28. I try that. I'm not a huge fan of their products. I think I originally had tried, I don't know if it was shampoo or conditioner or something like that, and just thought it was too heavy for my hair, but I haven't tried this, so I'm willing to give it a shot. That's really nice. Here I see from, let me find it, Natasha Denona. This is an eyeliner pencil, and the shade, oh, thank you, Cobalt Blue. So that's what that looks like, the box, Natasha. $18. Let's open this up. So glad that it's not black. So here's what it looks like. You can see the blue. Cute. Definitely be keeping this. Sometimes I do use blue. That is really nice. It's not a huge pencil, but it's still a Natasha Denona pencil. $18. That's, I guess that's fair price these days. The next item I see is from Nars. I love Nars. Where's that? This is Power Matte Lip Pigment, $26. It is, I guess the shade is Call Me. Just trying to let that focus there. See if I can get this open. Okay. Love their packaging. I had received, I shouldn't say gotten. This is what it looks like. A lip crown. I don't know what box it was in. Loved it. I mean, it was just a sample, which was fine. Let's get this out of there. Here's the doe foot in the shade. That smells so good. And this is definitely a shade that I will wear. So I'll be rocking that in an upcoming video. Love that. Let's see what this is. This is from Glow Recipe. Great brand. Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. That's a big heavy bottle. Glow Recipe. $49. I'm glad we get these in boxes because I would never pay $49. Let me see if I can. Let's get scissors to break that. It is taped. Okay. I believe the next one is not taped. Let's open this up and see what this looks like. Usually nice glass jars. Oh yeah, look how nice that is. If you wanted to leave that out on a vanity or a makeup table, nice big jar. Let's see. No scent, but you can see what it looks like right there. Avocado especially has some great benefits for your skin. So let's see. You just need a dime size amount for your final step in the evening. You can use it as a wash-off mask, which I like about some of their products because I'm not really big into sleeping masks. And this is 2.37 fluid ounces or 70 ml, so that's a nice size. And then I think the last product, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. Here, let me get rid of this box off the table. Something I'm excited for, which I don't remember what item I would have picked. Maybe this. I honestly don't know. This, oh no, there was something else. Missed it. I was looking at the card going, wait a second. This is from Too Faced. This is the Cocoa Contour Palette. This is $44. I can already smell it through the packaging. Now, their packaging is just outstanding. Get a little card, a little booklet. Let's see what this is first. Oh, just little helps, you know, helpful hints to, you know, how you highlight and contour. That's great for people. You know, I'm not great at it, but this is the packaging right here. And the back is just a shiny gold. Oh my goodness. It smells delicious. So I'm just going to cover the mirror. Look at this palette. Look at this. This is heavy. I don't know if you guys can see the dimension on this, but this is massive. I love this. Wow. Light contour, medium contour, deep contour, deep highlight, medium highlight, light highlight. Now, how nice is that? So this one palette is good for all of us. If fairer, I can stick with the lights. If I have a little bit of color, I can go to medium. And let's say towards the end of the summer or midsummer, you know, I have a deeper tan, a lot more color. I have a deeper tone to start with. Then you can start with the mediums and go to the deeps and so forth. And even if you wanted a light, if you have, you know, darker skin tone, if you wanted a lighter highlight, you could, or contour. Kudos to Too Faced. And this looks like a little, like change purse snap, but you could just see the dimension on that. This is weighty, that for sure, and stunning. Love Too Faced. Love Too Faced. And you can see the back of the box right there. So that's nice. I didn't even tell you how much that was. I was so sidetracked on that. $44. And then we have a brush here. And I'm not a fan of double-sided brushes, but a brush is a brush, needless to say. And I do believe this is Billion Dollar Brows. This is a sculpting duo brush. Eyes going. And this is Billion Dollar Brush. Sculpting duo brush, $30. I would not spend $30 on that brush. This is way too soft, but, you know, fine for what you want to do. You wanted to, I guess you could highlight. I don't know what I would use that one for. Angled. You could use it for powders. You could, I guess, use it for contour, blush. You could use it for whatever you want. That, you know, you could use for whatever also. Love this box. Love this box. If I had to pick one thing that I'm not super excited to be, would be the Living Proof. But I'm going to try this because, like I said, you know, maybe my hair has, you know, I know my hair has changed over the years. And it's been a while since I tried anything from them. But why not? I'll give that a shot. The Too Faced palette and the Glow Recipe, just everything. Nars, Natasha Denona. And a brush is a brush. I mean, trust me, I'll still find uses for it. I have, you know, 50 million brushes sitting behind me. But I always love getting new brushes and trying them out. But that would be good for blush, highlight. You could contour. This you could use, you know, as an eye brush if you wanted to. Yeah, I guess you could. You could use it for whatever you want. They're your brushes. Just use them. That's all. And I don't use some of them behind me. Some of them are just decorative, but I do use a lot of them. I clean my brushes right away. I don't leave them sit dirty. I clean them at the end of the day. Or worst case scenario, the next morning, so that they stay clean. I treat my brushes immaculate. I did that when I painted also. I mean, you had to clean them right away. If you didn't, you'd never get it off. So I'm just, the habit is there. I clean them every day. Even my eyebrow spoolie, I clean that every day too. If I use it in the morning, at the end of the night, you know, after I cleanse my face, I'll just quick, you know, give my brows a little brush and groom them. Sometimes I put treatment in my eyebrows, and then that gets washed because that'll dry in 5 seconds. There's nothing to it. It's just like, you know, there's no real hairs on that. And I just leave it there, and it's good to go for the next day. I don't want because, you know, when you put your foundation on and then all your eyebrows products, it does build up on there. You'd be surprised if you took that and ran that on your skin. Your foundation and or brow products would come off on your skin. So I just find that to be a cause of bacteria, and I don't want to add that to my face. That's why I clean my brushes, and I have so many. I clean them right away. This way they're clean. I'm not introducing bacteria to my face. So tell me what you thought of my June Boxy Premium, and this is the Oasis is the theme. I think this is a phenomenal box. I am extremely happy with the products, and excited to try this. I have not tried their products in a long time, but basically between my Boxyluxe and the Premium this month for June, I'm in love. Love it. Sporting my Boxycharm t-shirt that I got in the pop-up. Loving it. It's so comfortable. If you ever get an opportunity to buy one of these shirts, even if you just wear it around the house, so comfortable. It feels like I don't have a shirt on. That's how comfortable, soft, lightweight. They wash up nice. They dry nice. And I have 2 of them. I love them. I wish they sold them with different logos. Not always the same square logo. I wish they would change them up, and I would buy them in a heartbeat. So tell me down below in the comments what you think of this box. Do you like these products? And I hope everyone is having a good day and enjoying their June. It's almost over, unfortunately. Before we know it, it's going to be September and it's going to be fall. The summer is just flying by. And I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.